YouTube. So I got another tutorial video for y'all right now. We're gonna be focusing on the shoulders, in particular, the rear delts. So this particular exercise I'm gonna show you is something that really helped me develop my rear delts. Now, I've said it before in some of my videos, the rear delt is a muscle that's really small and it takes a little time to develop. But once you develop it, like you pretty much have it, and it helps you establish that mind muscle connection. It's a lot easier to connect your mind with that muscle once you start developing it, right? That was a big thing for me just as I developed my physique and just been working out over the years. But this exercise that I'm gonna show you right now will really help you kind of target those rear delts and quicken that, what would I say? This particular movement will really accelerate your growth for that muscle. So let's get into it. So you're gonna grab some dumbbells. You don't have to go super heavy with this. I recommend you don't go super heavy with this, as you know, your shoulders can be in a really compromised position. So 10-pound dumbbells is fine. You know, maybe even 15s if you feel up to it, but 10s are really fine, maybe even 5s if you're really just beginning and you haven't developed that muscle. So what it is, it's gonna be a rear delt fly. And all you're gonna do is bend over like this, let the dumbbells hang, and then you're just gonna come up like this. And in a way, I have a lot of variations for this, and that's really the key to really developing your rear delt, right? It's hitting it from a bunch of different angles, and I've played with this over the years and whatnot, and the way I typically do it, I'll typically do in a set 3 different variations or movements with my hands, right? So the first one, I'll take the dumbbells, hope y'all can tell from this, but, or I'll just do this, so just focus on my hands. So I'll have them in a neutral position like this, and then when I come up, I flare them out. So watch, see how my wrist goes like this. So that is one of the first variations I do, like this. And I'll typically do this for about 10 reps, right? I'm not gonna do a full set right now. So I'll do that for 10 reps, and then for the next variation, I'll keep it at a neutral position and go up just like that. So no twist, so just straight up like that. And I'll do that for another 10 reps. And then to cap it off, for the final variation, I'll put them like this, and then straight like that. So no twist, just in this position the full way. So, did y'all follow that? All right, let's do it again. So, first set of 10, just like this. And these are all back to back. So your first set of 10, you're twisting. The next set, you're like this, neutral. Next set of 10, you're like this. Just like that. And already I'm feeling the burn. Like that set of 30 total, so 10 like this, 10 like this, 10 like that, will really get your rear delts on fire. Honestly, you can do that for about like 4-5 sets, and you're good to go. Another good thing, or another way of really developing your rear delts faster, start off your shoulder days with rear delts. That way you pretty much get them activated, and throughout the rest of your shoulder workout, you kind of keep that mind muscle connection on your rear delts and continue to get that pump through your rear delts. So that's a good tip right there. So start off your shoulder workouts with your rear delts, rather than, you know, a lot of people tend to do their rear delts last, which is fine too, but if you really want to get the most out of your rear delts and get the most growth out of them, start your workouts with them. So yeah, so if you start your shoulder workouts off with your rear delts, you're really gonna pre-exhaust the rear delt and make your shoulder workout a lot tougher. So like if you start off with, you know, this rear delt fly exercise, and then you go into, let's say, military press. Military press might be a little harder because you've already pre-exhausted your rear delts, and then you're getting even more activation and more growth out of your rear delts. So try that variation for yourself. Let me know how you feel about it. Let me know if it works for you. Again, let me know in the comment section any other tutorial videos y'all want me to do, and I'll keep them coming. So don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment, all that, and we out.